Good afternoon. Today we're going to be swapping out the headlights on this 2011 Honda Odyssey. It's got LED headlights in it right now, but they're not, one of them quit working, so got some new ones on Amazon. They're high and low beam. I'm going to just get these out. We're going to unbox them, check them out, and I'll show you the process to get them put in. All right, so got these off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. 2011 Honda Odyssey, high and low beams. So let's check them out. All right, so that's nice. They have them labeled high beam, low beam, and fogs, which I don't have fogs on this van, so I'll just hang on to those for later. So let's check these out. Low beam. All right, they look, they visually look pretty good. Got your little fan on the back, keep them cool. And these are just gonna be basically a half turn to take the old one out, a half turn to put this new one in. So, show you how to do that. All right, so first thing on the driver's side, this has a little push tab. You're gonna pull it out. It's got two right here. Just take that out, set it aside. Unfortunately, if you want to get your hands and your arms behind this headlight, you can get to the low beam. This is your high beam side, and I got to pull the battery out. Somebody else might be able to fit their arm back there, but it is kind of tight. So just a 10 millimeter. That will take off the clamp, 10 millimeter. All right, don't lose that. And these just hook right down there. I'll show you when the battery's out. So this, you can see on the battery tray right here, it's just gonna hook right there, and the other one hooks right in front of it. The old one that quit working, it's got this little junction block on it. I'm not 100% sure what that's for, possibly just like an inline fuse relay sort of thing. This one has a fan on it too, but these quit working. Unfortunately, when you buy the cheaper headlights, they don't last you too long. So stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll show you some ultimate destruction with these. All right, so this one, that's gonna be this is on the far side towards the fender. That's gonna be your low beam. It is kind of, just mash that tab. I'm just kind of wiggle the plug back and forth, and then it is a half turn. See that? And the whole thing, that's your high beam, just comes right out of there. The low beam, which I opened first, all right, try and get it where you can see what I'm doing. So just find out where it fits. You'll feel it slide into the grooves. It's a half turn. Pull on it, it's good to go. And then your plug, now these lights, if you turn them on and they don't work, you can turn this plug around Okay. All right, so I've got the running light in. I did have to flip the plug. It's just positive and negative. It works just fine. Gonna open up the high beam since I'm already on this side. I threw the battery back in just so I could double check. It's not even tightened down, but let's check these out, see what they look like. The difference in these bulbs, all right, this is the low beam. You see where these three prongs are on the inside of the seal? On the low beam. Now the high beam is going to be much wider. These prongs where it clips in are on the outside of this seal, so you won't get them mixed up. Get the bulb in there, but there's no room for you to maneuver your wrist or your hand so you can rotate it and flip it in. All right, both lights, I've got the high beam and low beam on. Very bright. Just putting the battery back in right now. And that way we can get to work on the passenger side and get it done. Tighten battery cables. There's my high beam working, the halogen bulb. Low beam, she gone. We will have to move a couple things out of the way, not too big of a deal. Got your coolant reservoir, power steering reservoir, and your washer fluid. You're probably not going to have to move your washer fluid at all, but you've got this little push tab right here on this side, so if you got a flathead on you, let's probably just pull that out right there. Nope, it just pulls right up. So you just kind of want it to be out of the way a little bit. There's a little tab right here on the back of this power steering reservoir. They're just loose. All right, low beam, you should be able to come right through here for your low beam. And the correct light. All right, it's gonna be the 3 tabs on the inside of that rubber seal. That'll be the outside light closest to your fender. So I just twisted it in there. Now, I'm just gonna plug it up. We have light on the running low beams. So now let's get this high beam out of here. Just tuck that back there. And it still is kind of, it is not the easiest to get in there too, but you got to do it. All right, so this high beam is fairly difficult to get to. You just gotta, I had to end up getting one hand in here, one around the other side to get it plugged. Even with these loose and out of the way, it just makes it kind of difficult. So power steering, this is the tab you gotta push to get it loose. You just snap it back in. All right, we didn't mess with the washer fluid section. This slides in right here. There we go. Now it's, you'll see it, it only slides right in one way. Put your push tab in there, good to go. All right, if you guys enjoyed this, if it helped you out at all, subscribe, like it, share it. you know, maybe it'll help somebody out. Even if it just helps one person, then it's worth it. So anyways, if you have any ideas of, if you have I work on all kinds of things, but if there's something specific you want to see and I have the ability to do it, I'll make a video for you. So until next time, thank you. See you again. All right, best thing to do for those old headlights is just those up them properly. So sit beside me, my only son, and listen closely to what I say. All right. And if you do this, get that other light put care of. Some sunny day. All right. There you go. I don't believe they work anymore.